I hope you clicked the link to find out the truth about day trading, rather than that you're going to make $100,000 in a day. The truth is what I'm going to talk to you about. I'm actually going to tell you the truth about day trading. I'm not going to tell you how to make $100,000 today, but it is possible. But there's so many people out there giving courses, teaching people that you can turn $0 into $100,000 in a couple of days, in a month, in a day, in a week. Guys, please believe me when I tell you, you're going to be disappointed in this. Check this statistic out about traders who've taken, say, 300 trades, and how many are successful. Just look at the statistic. We're looking at maybe 1% success. So that is not looking good. But my opinion is you can make money in the stock market. It is possible, but you've got to follow a specific strategy. And that's the strategy we're going to talk about today. And that is the truth about day trading and how you actually can succeed with day trading if you follow the right procedures, guys. Hey, it's Rob Guilty. It's logical trading. By the way, 80% of traders lose money. Trading is risky. Guys, trading is really risky. If you don't like losing money, don't trade. You just saw that statistic. Goodness me, guys, I'm talking about 80% of traders losing money. They're talking about 99% of traders losing money. That in itself is pretty scary, I've got to say. Go and check out my blog, guys. Free trade every day. 10-15 seconds of your time, nothing more. Visit the secret blog. Free trade on there every day, which I post totally free. Guys, it's not financial advice, just a trading idea. On the blog as well, you'll see on the left, little PDF, free Forex book, my gift to you, asking nothing for it. But enjoy the trade every day. It's always nice to know what everybody else is doing, isn't it? So now that you've checked out my blog, I hope it helps you. Just remember, it's just an idea. It's not trading advice. Don't forget that. That statistic I did not know about. Recently, with the markets going up, a lot of the guys are saying that it's dropped to, say, 69%. I'm seeing a lot of warnings on the website saying 69%. The other day it was 79% and it was 85%. It moves around. My average is basically that 80% of traders don't make money. The truth about day trading is you can make money, and the best way to do that is to actually manage your risk. Now, if you follow my support and resistance system or supply and demand system, you'll see that it is actually possible to make some money in the stock market. But you have to manage your risk. It's all about the psychology. You see, the big problem that traders have when they're day trading is they keep looking for the magic pill. They keep looking, you, me, everyone, we keep on looking for that magic system that's going to make us the money just like that. And when we look for that magic system, it's like, yeah, it's not there, right? Where is it? It's not there. There is no magic system, because trading the stock market, as we've discussed before, is a 50-50 game. If you take 100 trades, 50 of them you'll win, 50 of them you'll lose. But that leaves you on zero, doesn't it? So how do you win if you take 100 trades and you only win half? It's simple. What you do is on the 50 you lose, you get out quickly and you take a small loss. On the 50 you win, you let it run and you actually add to the trades and you make big wins. That way you'll be in a gross profit at the end. It's not about how many trades you win and lose. And once you can get your psychology around, it's not how many trades you win and lose, but how your psychology works with how much you lose and how much you win, then you understand that winning in the stock market is not about the strategy as much, or the system as much as the strategy. And the strategy is to take smaller losses. Now what we all tend to do, we've all done it, I've done it, when we're in a loss, we tend to think, well, I thought it was going to win, so it should still win, so what do? I add to my loss. I double up, because then I'm bringing my cost price closer. And then it keeps on going down, so I double up again, bringing my cost price closer, because I think it's going to go back up. The thing with this is, when it does go back up, let's say it turns around and it goes back up in your favor. The minute it gets into profit, what do? You get out. It's a relief trade. We call it a relief trade. In other words, you were taking a big loss, you went back into small profit, you took out, you jumped out, you got out. The trouble with this is, you make one win like this, and you think, okay, I survived that. The next time you try the same trick, it keeps on going down, and you end up taking a huge loss, because there's a point where you just have to get out, you just have to get away from it. And you take these massive losses, and you get these small wins. And that's where your mistake is. And this is the hard truth about day trading. It's not easy, it's difficult. You know, if you trade on the lower time frames, you have to put huge sums of risk in to make a profit, because those long red bars you see on the day chart are tiny little moves like this. So that long red bar is only a couple of points. It's not huge. So you have to risk a lot of money to make any money on that move. So I prefer to trade on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, sometimes even the day. 4 hours, quite relevant for me, because you take nice wins, you take nice profits, and it's a decent trade. Okay, and you can risk much more comfortably on the higher time frames. Instead of adding to your losses, put a stop loss in and stick to that stop loss religiously, even if it's 1-to-1. Then, if it runs into profit, let your profit run. Put a trailing stop behind it if necessary, when it starts going through to where your target might have been. Put a trailing stop on it. Then, add to the trade if it keeps on winning, and make some more. If it loses and it goes down into invalidation, invalidates, it's no longer a good trade. Do yourself a favor, before it even reaches that stop loss, if it's at 1-to-1, just get out. Just get out for a small little losses, walk away. It's invalidated, it is no longer a good trade. Walk away from the trade before it costs you an absolute fortune. It's real easy. The truth about day trading is it's not easy to get around the psychology of taking small losses and making big wins. And that's why so many people lose. I was shocked when I saw the statistic that says out of all these traders that traded for 300 days, that only 1% of them were successful. I mean, that is absolutely nuts, guys. It's nuts. There's so many traders out there promoting that they got 90% win rates. They can't be telling you the truth. And if you do suddenly get a 90% win rate from whatever system that you found, I would be very fearful, worry, because you're going to get overconfident and the losing streak will hit you hard. So hard it'll wipe your account out, because you become overconfident. Be extremely careful of those winning streaks. They're more dangerous than the losing streaks. We all have losing streaks. We have a losing week, we have a losing day, we have a losing month. It happens, okay? But when you have those winning streaks, your psychology takes you to a new place. You think you are infallible. What do? You put more risk, more risk, more risk. Boom, you get taken out. Keep your risk the same. If you are going to move it up, move it very slowly. Very careful of those winning streaks. They're dangerous. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the next video. Till next time, bye.